Today's topic is programmable logic device. Programmable logic device is that type of device in which the output function can be programmed as per the requirement of the user. That means it is that type of device in which the functions can be programmed as per the requirement. These type of devices are called programmable logic devices. First we will discuss the basic structure of a programmable logic device. It has basically three stages. The first stage is input buffer. Second stage is the AND array or the AND matrix. The third stage is OR array. At the input buffer, we apply the input variables, and at the output array, we receive the output function. This is the basic structure of any programmable logic device. On the operation of these three stages, the programmable logic devices are divided into different types. That means these arrays can be either of programmable type or it may be of fixed type. So on the basis of this programming, the programmable logic devices are divided into different types. First we will discuss these stages one by one. The input buffer stage is that type of stage which provide the actual form and the complement form of the input. That means this input buffer can be represented as like inverted gate with two outputs. That means it receives input variable A and will provide the actual form A and the complement form, that is A dash. This type of circuit is called the input buffer. So this input buffer is made of a number of this structure. AND array is what? AND array is a collection of a number of AND gates. That means it can be represented as a number of AND gates these AND gates may be of programmable or they may be fixed. That means when a series of AND gate is used, this is called the AND array. In the same way, the OR array is what? OR array or the OR matrix is the combination of OR gates. That means it may be programmable or it may be unprogrammed. That means the inputs may be of 2 or 3 variables. It may be as per the requirement. So this is the basic structure of a programmable logic device. On the basis of the programming of these three stages, the programmable logic devices is further divided into 3 types. The first one is the ROM as PLD. The second one is programmable logic array, and third one is programmable array logic. So we will discuss all these three one by one. The first one is what? The programmable read only memory. That means ROM as PLD. So first one is ROM as PLD. In ROM as a PLD, the first stage is the same input buffer. Here we will provide the input. The second one is fixed array. That means the first array, that is AND array, is fixed in nature. The second stage, that is programmable or array. And and here we will got the output. That means ROM as a PLD is that type of circuit in which the AND arrays are fixed and OR arrays are programmable. That means the AND gates cannot be programmed, while the OR gates can be programmed as per the requirement. And this is the basic structure of ROM as PLD. The second one is programmable logic array. That is PLA. PLA is that type of structure in which the AND array and OR array both are programmable. That means the second stage, that is AND array, it is programmable, and also the third stage, that is OR array, it is also programmable. If we design a PLD in this manner, it will be called programmable logic array. The third one is what? Third one is PLA. Programmable array logic. That is PAL. Programmable array logic is that type of PLD in which the AND array is programmable but OR array is fixed. That means the second stage is programmable but the third stage is not programmable, it is fixed. So the third stage, that means the OR array, it is fixed OR array. Here we will receive the output. So these are basic three structures for PLD, and if we use this structure, it will be called programmable logic array, and if we use this type of structure in which AND array is programmable but OR array is fixed, this type of structure will be called as programmable array logic.